Let us learn about solutions. What are different types of solution and what is tonicity? We have to do all these topic with reference to the cell and the internal environment in which cell are there. So what is a solution? A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. What is homogeneous mixture? Homogeneous means when there is uniform distribution of all the substances, all the particles in that mixture. Though mixture can be of, these solution can be of air into air or gas into liquid, or it can be solid in the liquid. It can be solid also. But again, as we are talking about cell, so we are going to talk about only the solution in which solvent is water. In a solution in which there is a large substance that dissolves the substance is called solvent, and the substance that is dissolved in the solvent is called solute. For example, say here I have taken this water and this is salt. So I am taking a spoon of salt and mixing this into water. Let us mix it. So now this has become a homogeneous mixture. Means the soil particles are uniformly distributed in the water. In this particular solution, water is solvent and salt is solute. So we are talking of all the solution in which solvent is water. So I hope the first thing is clear. What is solution? Now what is tonicity? Tonicity is determined by the amount of the solute that is dissolved in water. I think this is quite clear now that if I am dissolving 1 teaspoon of salt in water, or I am dissolving 2 teaspoons of water in 2 teaspoons of salt in water, then their tonicity is going to be different. Again, tonicity is important concept whenever we are discussing the movement of water across the semi-permeable membrane. So tonicity is decided by the amount of the solute, and the second thing is permeability of the semi-permeable membrane. Because if the solute can cross the semi-permeable membrane, this is not going to contribute to the tonicity of the solution. According to this, the amount of the solution, they are categorized into 3 different categories: hypotonic, hypertonic, and isotonic. Remember, these terms are comparative terms. Whenever we are comparing 2 solutions, then only we are using these terms. For example, if I am taking this salt solution, I cannot use the term isotonic, hypertonic, or hypotonic only for this solution. Only and only if I am using 2 solutions to compare, then only I can say that this is hypertonic to this is hypotonic to this, like this. Okay, now let us see this. Just now I have dissolved 1 teaspoon of salt into this. Now let us take another glass of water, and in this I am dissolving 2 teaspoons of salt. Look at this. This one is having 2 teaspoons of salt in this or solute. This is having 1 teaspoon of solute in this. So now when we have to compare these two solutions, then only we can use the term hypotonic or hypertonic. Because in our body, there is always an external environment outside the cell. So one solution is in the cell, another solution is outside the cell. So the movement of water, whether it will take place inside the cell or it will move out of the cell, it depends on the tonicity of the solution. So now, if this one is having 1 teaspoon of salt and this one is having 2 teaspoon of salt, it means that there is less solute in this and there is more solute in this. It means this is going to have more tonicity, this is going to have less tonicity. Or we can use the term hypertonic for this because this is having more solute, and hypotonic for this because this is having less solute. Hypo means less, hyper means more. So more solute concentration, hypertonic. Less solute concentration, hypotonic. Then what is isotonic? Iso means same. Same solute concentration. But these are not having the same solute concentration. So if I want to make an isotonic solution to either of you, these. So what I have to take? I have to take another glass of water, and in this, now again, I am putting 1 teaspoon of salt into this. Now, both of these are having the same concentration of solute in this. That is 1 teaspoon of salt. But this is having 2 teaspoons of salt in this. So these two are having same salt concentration. So these are isotonic. These two are isotonic because these two are having the same concentration of solute. This is hypotonic as compared to this because there is only 1 teaspoon, and this is hypertonic as compared to this because this is having 2 teaspoons. Now suppose this is cell and this is external environment. In which direction do you think the movement of water will take place? From this side to this side or from this glass to this glass? This is, I said, cell, and this is the external environment. Just think about it.